and it was a grayish shade of blue. Spirits held desire while eyes they did admire the evening that we only thought we knew. I heard the birds' wings over me, the vibrations in the air to my ears. The sun was rising, slinking low, the day was saddled up to go. The desert's lonely nightfall disappeared. The raven who flies through the desert skies is wiser than you or me. The birds have a peace, the stillness of sleep, and the desert raven, he has poetry. Close your eyes and flight, let the diamonds make the night. Crystal blue will turn to ruby red. The plants become a maze under the heaven's starry haze. Oh, Pegasus, he gallops overhead. Follow close the river's edge while saffron slowly grows inside the caves. The starry minds of hyacinth, the moon below the sun's eclipse. The sandy canyon floats beyond the waves.